another edition. Wait.
Come on, you're gonna have to do this, Mike.
Okay.
Stop doing that.
July 31st. Is it going? Okay. July 31st, 1989. America's Most Wanted. Take 2.
And action.
Hi, welcome to another edition of America's Most Wanted. Today, we're talking about Michael Olson, the notorious house robber and murderer. Michael Olson lived in Venera, California. He was 5'11", 302 pounds. His hair is brown, and his eyes are brown. If you see this man anywhere, please call us at 976-COPS. Last one. Do not try to apprehend him. He is notorious and dangerous. The following is a dramatization of the crime.
Follow Michael Olson as he attempts to rob a house in Turlock, California. First of all, Michael prides himself on being quiet. Second, Michael gets into a low crouch to avoid being seen. Michael's favorite musical artist is LL Cool J. Michael hurries around the corner so as not to be surprised by a would-be attacker. Here Michael slowly creeps to the screen, his favorite way of getting in. He knocks to make sure no one's home. The screen is removed and he hands it to his accomplice. Mike better get used to this position because he will often see it. Two more steps and he is in the house. No, he has a hairdryer. I already combed my hair today.